In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your cPanel using Hostgator. Whether you are launching a brand new website or managing one that is already online, knowing how to move around your cPanel is an essential skill. It gives you access to the tools that control your files, emails, domains, security, backups, and everything that keeps your site running smoothly. So let's walk through the steps together in a clear and simple way. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostgator website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner for the sign in button. Click on it to open the login page, then enter your account email and password. Logging in takes only a moment. And once you are inside, you will land on the main Hostgator dashboard. This is your control center for managing all your hosting services. From the dashboard, find the website section. This area displays all the domains you have connected to your hosting plan. Click on the website you want to work with, and the panel will expand to show additional options. Your next step is to select the Settings button. This page gives you access to the core features and information about your site. Inside Settings, scroll until you see the Advanced option. The Advanced section is designed for users who want deeper control over their hosting setup. When you click on it, you will notice a new set of tools appear. Among these tools, you will find the Cpanel button. This is the direct link to your Cpanel dashboard. Clicking the Cpanel button will open a new window or tab with your Cpanel interface. This is where you will find everything you need to manage your website at a technical level. You will see categories such as File Manager, email accounts, domain controls, database tools, metrics, security settings, and automatic app installers. Spend a moment exploring the layout so you can get familiar with where things are. Once you understand the sections, navigating becomes much easier. With time, you will find that Cpanel is incredibly powerful. You can upload files, create email addresses, install WordPress, manage databases, set up backups, and adjust advanced settings. Hostgator keeps the interface organized and beginner-friendly, so even if you are new, you will quickly build confidence. Learning how to reach and navigate your Cpanel may seem complicated at first, but once you follow these simple steps a few times, it becomes second nature. You will be able to manage your website more efficiently and take full control of your online presence. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to check out my other tutorials covering hosting, website setup, and beginner-friendly tools. I create clear and easy lessons to help you build and grow your site with confidence. See you in the next video.